Attention everyone. At this time, all lifecraft crew, except for those subjected to training, can be dismissed. Once again, at this